We love coming out and watching people and getting involved with folks that are doing something nice for everybody else, like cycling all day for families dealing and living with autism. So we're out here, we're gonna make you a beautiful dinner, because when you're out here doing this kind of stuff, you work up an appetite. And we're gonna start out with some fresh halibut, huh? Does that not look good? That looks awesome. And you know what? A little fish test there. That doesn't smell fishy. We know it's good that way, okay? So we've got our halibut. Now we gotta make a quick salsa, okay? You saw me cutting up some strawberries here, and that is exactly what we're gonna use as our base. A little strawberry salsa. Fast, easy, delicious. And how about some red onion? Looking good. Gonna offset that sweetness of those strawberries. And how about some mint, huh? Nothing says summertime like mint. Smell that. Does that smell good? Yeah, it smells good. It's mint. And how about a little balsamic? Just a little splash of that. A little hit of flavor, a little tartness. Folks, you've got yourself a killer salsa that's gonna go right over the top of our hazelnut crusted halibut. Now, I'm just gonna hit this halibut with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, a little S&P. Get these ready for the grill. Oh, I promise you a little hazelnut crust, and that's exactly what we have over here. But we can't put those nuts on there like that. They won't stay. You gotta break them down a little bit. So show you a little trick. Put them in a bag. Take yourself one of these pots. Work up an appetite doing this if the cycling wasn't enough for you. All right, get it in the bowl there. Now we've got a little bit of melted butter. Help all this stay together, stick to the top of our halibut when we use it a little later when we head to the grill. And now we're gonna zest in a little bit of lemon. Smells good. It's gonna taste even better. It's exactly what we're looking for there. We've got our hazelnut crust. We've got our halibut all ready for the grill. We've got our strawberry salsa. Let's go make this happen. What do you say, y'all? Gotta oil this grill. We are cooking fish. We wanna make sure that we've got no sticking. And high heat is 3 steamboats. 1 steamboat, 2 steamboats, 3 steamboats. I'm good to go on high heat. 4 minutes aside is what we're looking for. We're just gonna let our fish do its thing, let our grill do its thing. Yes. All right, here we go. Get a little drum roll. Yeah. Oh, we still got a little stick in there. Still got a little sticking. We'll be all right, though. We'll be all right. Doing good. 1 for 2, we're batting 500. Oh, make that 666. Come on, that's beautiful. 3 out of 4. That's not bad. We got this hazelnut topping crust put right over the top, cover any deficiencies or imperfections we may have, and nobody will be the wiser. Whether it stuck or whether it didn't, we've disguised it with our hazelnut crust, put a little strawberry salsa on there, and you guys are gonna be some satisfied cyclists, guarantee it. 4 more minutes, and we're gonna take it over there and start getting busy. Got a teammate right here, Miss Jenna. Couldn't do it without Jenna, Charlotte, and Carrie. And we got some summertime strawberry salsa here. The sweetness of this, coupled with the saltiness of the hazelnut crust, to die for. You'll love it. It looks great, though. Y'all ready to eat this stuff? Yeah! Okay, you cycle, and we cook, and you eat. Does that sound fair? Yeah! Y'all come up here and help us eat this. Come on.